Hey, Amelia. I am sitting here with Amelia, and the other cats are somewhere. I haven't shown you the planner in a while, though, and it's so cold outside. I'm not going to go out to the workshop this morning. It's about 7 a.m., and I do work today. Got my coffee. Look at that beautiful cup that Jason's mom got for me. I love those illustrations. So I've continued every single day to carry my planner, and I love it so much. I'm going to try to make this last the entire year. And I remember maybe explaining that it's divided into sections so that, let's see if I can get January all together. So this is January, and I was determined to just keep it compact, and you can see that I have found little things along the way, like those were just on the floor when I swept at work, and I've made little notes. I kept track of my spending the whole month. Have little drawings and personal notes, tags and things, and then there's the calendar. So sorry, I heard something on my watch and I wanted to see what that was. And of course I have labels from different things. There's something from Christmas. And when we turn over here, so I put a pocket in to be able to hold my February to-do book, which I made one of those for January too. You probably saw it. Let's go back and look at that real quick. It sits in this pocket. Right, Amelia? So it's got one of those labels from Sandra where she sent me the coffee. And I was able to just write down, what did I put up there? January 2024. So let's put that back in there. Maybe I'll turn it this way. It seems like it stays in better that way. And let's get back over here. So I have my February calendar. I've got my little to-do book. And then on the next page, I've got some sort of receipt in here, and then just pieces of scrap paper. I made myself a little note about M&Ms. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm getting older. I used to love peanut M&Ms, but when I eat something like that, then I don't feel so great. So I've got this little book. All it is folded paper, and I sewed across the top with a piece of lace, and that's where I will keep track of everything I spend in February. And I may as well leave that out because I'm going to work on that right now. And let's see, I made a little pocket here. And that's where I bought some earring backs, and I turned this into a little book, like a little matchbook. So I've got paper in here for notes. Oops, there we go. And then a girl at work gave me a couple of pieces of scrap fabric. She knows that I like things like that, which I thought was really sweet. So this, let's see, this will start March. So as you can see, I haven't left a whole lot of room. Like, this is February. And I am hoping to be able to carry this all year. I just stand it in the little bag that I'm carrying every day. And fits nicely. I take a few Sharpies. And I have this pocket on the front for my pen and my Sharpie, an extra one. And I'm just really loving it. yes, it might end up being thick at the end of the year, but we're going to try and see what happens. All right. Bye for now. Oh, there's Vlad. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hanging out? Who made that mess on the floor? Did you tear something up last night? Hmm? Hey, buddy. Love you, buddy. All right. See you later.